In this video, we'll be learning how to document a change to an estimate. This will generally happen if you have given a customer an estimate that needs to be changed upon viewing the vehicle. There must be an amount in the estimate box on the lower right corner of the write-up window. First, click on Edit. Press the Control key located on your keyboard and the 2 key at the same time. This brings up the Repair Order Change Authorizations window. Fill in the boxes with corrected estimate. When done, close the window and click OK. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to change an estimate.